Saturday's precise and important news. A delegation of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan lands in Islamabad, Pakistan. A high delegation of Foreign Affairs Ministry headed by Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the acting Minister of Foreign Affairs Ministry, reached Islamabad of Pakistan and was warmly welcomed by Pakistani officials. Health Minister of Afghanistan meets with the Vice President of Iran. The Ministry of Public Health of Afghanistan says that Dr. Qalandar Ibad, the acting Minister of Health, on his visit to Iran held a meeting with Anisa Khazali, the Vice President of Iran. It adds that the two officials discussed the development of bilateral cooperation between the two countries, especially in the field of healthcare. Acting Minister of Information and Culture visits Ghazni Province. Acting Minister of Information and Culture Mullah Khairullah Khairkhwa, on his visit to Ghazni assessing historical reservoirs of the province, said that the historical reservoirs are the spiritual and cultural identity of Afghans. Price of airplane tickets have reduced. The Ministry of Transport and Civil Aviation says that after a joint meeting with representatives of private airlines, the prices of foreign tickets have been reduced significantly. A new directorate formed by Higher Education Ministry. The Ministry of Higher Education said that a research directorate has been established within the organization of major public universities. A museum to be built to protect jihadi values. Ministry of Information and Culture has announced the construction of a museum to protect the jihadi values of the Afghan people.